Best Digital Pianos 2024. The world of digital pianos is experiencing a melodic revolution in musical innovation, offering a wide range of options for musicians at every level. In this video, we'll explore the top digital pianos of 2024, from high-end instruments to compact models that won't take up too much space. Number 3. Yamaha Arius YDP 145. For those looking for a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality, the Yamaha Arius YDP 145 is the top contender. This digital piano offers a great balance of affordability and performance, making it suitable for beginners and intermediate players. With weighted keys and a realistic feel, the Yamaha Arius YDP 145 provides an authentic playing experience at an accessible price point. The Yamaha Arius YDP 145 is a compact console-style digital piano that offers a balance of affordability and performance. It features an 88-key fully weighted graded hammer standard GHS keyboard with matte key tops, providing a realistic touch and feel suitable for beginners and intermediate players. The YDP 145 is designed for fitting into small spaces, making it a great choice for those with limited room for a traditional acoustic piano. The piano voice of YDP 145 is sampled from Yamaha's flagship CFX Concert Grand Piano, delivering a powerful and expressive sound that closely resembles that of an acoustic piano. This digital piano has been praised for its playability, sound quality, and overall enjoyable playing experience, making it suitable for a wide range of users, from beginners to seasoned pros. In summary, the Yamaha Arius YDP 145 offers a compelling combination of realistic touch, high-quality sound, and an affordable price point, making it a strong contender for anyone seeking a compact and enjoyable digital piano experience. Number 2. Roland HP 702. Another noteworthy digital piano for 2024 is the Roland HP 702. This model is praised for its slimline design, making it a great choice for those with limited space. Despite its compact form, the Roland HP 702 doesn't compromise on sound quality or playing experience, making it an ideal option for musicians seeking a balance between performance and space efficiency. The Roland HP 702 is a remarkable digital piano that offers premium piano performance and style for home use. It is designed to provide an immersive playing experience, allowing users to practice at any time, even at midnight with the headphone's 3D ambience feature. The HP 702 is part of the Roland's HP 700 series, which is known for supporting various musical styles and playing standards, making it suitable for beginners, students, and home users. Key features of the Roland HP 702 include Roland's acclaimed PHF4 standard keyboard and progressive damper action pedals, over 320 sounds including Roland's supernatural acoustic piano modeling technology, Bluetooth connectivity for streaming songs and app audio, traditional wooden cabinet design available in different wood finishes such as light oak, dark rosewood, charcoal black, and white. The HP 702's compact dimensions, smaller footprint, and lighter weight compared to a traditional acoustic piano make it easy to move and position within home environment. Additionally, the piano offers a range of features to enhance the learning and practice experience, such as a visual metronome, performance recorder function, and access to onboard tutorials. In summary, the Roland HP 702 is an elegant and cutting-edge digital piano that delivers uncompromising piano experience and style for home use, making it a visually appealing and musically satisfying addition to any home. Number 1. Yamaha Clavinova CLP 775. The Yamaha Clavinova CLP 775 has been recognized as one of the best digital pianos of 2024. This high-end instrument offers exceptional sound quality, realistic touch, and a wide range of features suitable for both beginners and experienced pianists. Its advanced technology and elegant design make it a centerpiece in any room, providing a playing experience that closely resembles that of an acoustic piano. The Yamaha Clavinova CLP 775 is a high-end digital piano that offers exceptional sound quality, realistic touch, and a wide range of features suitable for both beginners and experienced pianists. The CLP 775 is part of Yamaha's CLP series of digital pianos, which utilizes cutting-edge technology to recreate the experience of performing on a grand piano, allowing the pianist to play the keys with many variations of speed and depth to achieve an unlimited variation in tune and create uniquely personal performances. The CLP775 also features finely tuned three-way speakers and transducers, bringing the touch and feel of a real grand piano to your home. In addition to its exceptional sound quality and realistic touch, the CLP775 is loaded with convenient features only digital pianos can deliver. You can use headphones to keep your surroundings quiet or connect a Bluetooth device to your Clavinova for playback through its speakers. Also connect to Yamaha's app, Smart Pianist, to gain extra help for your piano practice. Overall, the Yamaha Clavinova CLP775 is the top-of-the-line digital piano that delivers an immersive playing experience, making it a great choice for pianists seeking a high-quality instrument that closely resembles the feel and sound of an acoustic piano. Conclusion: the digital piano market in 2024 offers a diverse range of options, catering to musicians of all levels and preferences. Whether you are seeking a high-end instrument with advanced features or a compact, budget-friendly model, there's a digital piano to suit your needs. We hope this comprehensive guide has provided valuable insights into the best digital pianos available in 2024, helping you make an informed decision for your musical journey. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the description below for more information and links to the products mentioned in this video. Stay tuned for more musical content, and we'll see you in the next one.